Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. If you know me, you know that I am not a kit craft kind of a person. However, recently a bunch of people have said to me, Sophie, we don't have time to put together all of the supplies and you can't come to our parties, so would you recommend any craft kits? And Oriental Trading Company has some very good craft kits. So today we're going to take a look at a try it, don't buy it from Oriental Trading. It is a Dancing Snowman Kit. I'm going to show you what happens when you unpack it, what's inside, how to put it together, and whether I suggest you try it or don't buy it. First thing first, let's open her up. Okay, it includes the little dancing snowman. Oh, the bead just came right off of there. Okay, so you've got your dancing snowman. You have, some pieces here. Now this is supposed to be for the gloves, but it looks like somehow it was cut in the manufacturing of it. So I might see if I can trade that out. Then it looks like it's got a hat and a scarf and a little nose here. Let me open up another one of these guys. Hopefully I'm hoping that's not going to be the case in every single one that I open here. Let's give it a try. Okay, this one is not cut, so we're going to steal from this one. So that was probably just a little bad printing. It looks like you got two different ones that came together there or something. But anyway, we're not going to use that one, so just pop that off to the side. Okay, so it looks like he has a green hat, so we'll take his green hat. And this is a sticker. And you just place the sticker on here. And then it looks like there is a nice little scarf. Peel the scarf off. There you go. There's your scarf. And a mitten. Okay, so the mitten sticks off the end there. And off there. So you do have a little bit of sticky sticking out for the backs there. And then you got your little nose. And it looks like it goes on your hat. And some buttons. Let's see. One button. Two buttons. So that's pretty much all there is to it. You could, of course, I think, add more embellishments. Okay, so there's our snowman all put together. Now let's give him a little tester and pull. And he's supposed to dance here. He's kind of one-sided in his dancing. He sort of sticks on this side over here. So, okay, from my perspective, I'm one of those people that really likes to give people a chance to really embellish and create their own kind of crafting things. And although there's a half-decent base here, as you can see, it sticks. So that gives me pause. That's number one. And then number two, there really isn't a whole lot to do with this craft other than adding the little sticker pieces. At the cost point of $9.39 for 6 of them, it makes them $1.50, $1.75 each. Try it, don't buy it. I'm going to say don't buy it. There's more exciting things out there. And Oriental Trading has many more exciting things than this little guy right here. So as far as my stick-to-it dancing snowman, try it, don't buy it. I'm going to say, sorry, Oriental Trading. Don't buy it. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.